In this example we're going to show you some tips and tricks to get the best result from pencil machining. In a situation where our fillet surface is of an equal radius to the tip radius of our tool, we can get a result which is not perfect. Just to show you what can happen if we apply this toolpath, and you can see that we get breaks in the toolpath because the power mill sometimes detects the corner and doesn't detect the corner because the corner is equal to the radius of the tool. So to get around this problem, one method is to ignore the fillet surfaces in the corner so power mill thinks it is a sharp corner. So we select the surfaces in our component thickness form. We can use Control Alt Pick to pick the surfaces quickly of the same colour. Add those to our ignore level. And there we can see the result is now correct. We had no breaks in the toolpath, one continuous clean toolpath. Now this is fine if the fillet radius is constant, but if we look in the end of the part here, the fillet radius actually gets bigger. If this happens to be the case, then our toolpath will gouge that fillet because we have told power mill to ignore it. So this technique of ignoring the fillet will not work if it is a variable radius fillet. The technique we must use to get around the problem in this instance is to use multi-pencil and specify an imaginary reference tool which is much bigger than the largest radius. And to force it to only produce one pass, then we must switch on the maximum pass tick box and specify one pass only.